Hello everyone, my name is Megha. Today I am going to explain design and implementation of lexical analyzer and phraser for mini ATC language. What is the problem statement of this is the problem statement, the objective of the assignment is to design and implement a simple language processing system for mini ATC language using automata theory concepts. The system should perform or recognize valid identifiers using deterministic finite automata or DFA, perform lexical analysis by generating tokens such as keywords, identifiers, um, operators, and numbers, and validate the syntax of mini ATC program using the context-free grammar and Fraser techniques. The assignment aims to demonstrate the assignment aims to demonstrate the working of compiler phases such as lexical analysis and syntax analysis and to detect lexical and syntax errors in the source program. So, here, in which we have a level one, which is an identifier recognition. Identifier recognition. This program checks whether the given identifier is valid or invalid using regular expression. A valid identifier must start with a letter and can contain letters and digits. If the identifier follows the rule, it prints the valid identifier. Otherwise, it prints the invalid identifiers. For example, we click a total one means it prints the valid identifier, or else 1x means invalid identifier. Here, here is the code explanation. Import RE. Here we importing the regular expression RE means RE regular expression. It is used for a pattern matching in Python. Identifier is equals to input enter identifier. Here we are in manually giving the input. The means we are giving enter identifier. So if regular expression dot match for it, it has to be match for the R dash capital A to Z small a to Z and A to Z small a to Z and 0 to 9 star dollar symbol comma identifier. This line checks whether the identifier is valid. It starts with starting with the letters and after the digits. If it is correct, then it prints the valid identifier, else it prints the invalid identifier. So here I am going to run. So enter identifier. Here I am going to, for example, total 1. So it is a valid identifier. Next, for we are checking for the invalid identifier. So enter identifier. Here I am going to give first digits and afterwards letter. So it shows the invalid identifier. So next is the lexical analyzer. The program implements a lexical analyzer for mini ATC language. The lexical analyzer converts source code into tokens such as keywords, identifiers, numbers, operators, and delimiters. It reads the program and identifies the each token type using conditions and regular expression. For example, begin is the keyword, X is the identifier, X is the identifier, 10 is the number, equals to is the operator. So here I am going to explain the lexical analyzer code. So here we are importing the regular expression RE. It matches the string. Keywords are the begin, end, int, print, and operators are plus, minus, star, equals to, divided by modulus, and delimiters are the semicolon, colon, and brackets. Here is the program. Here we are starting from the begin int x is equals to 10, and then we are printing the x end. So in this, it is matching for the words is equals to regular expression dot find all. It is finding the all, splits the source code into words and the symbols like r dash w means words plus bracket equals to means these are all operators and delimiters dot program. For word in words, if word in keywords, print keyword. If word in operator, print operators. Else, if it is in a word in delimiters, it prints the delimiters. Else, if word is digit, it prints the digits. Else, if it rematches the like regular R comma capital A to Z, small a to Z, and A to Z, small a to Z, 0 to 9, star dollar symbol, word, print identifier word. So here I am going to run this. So here it is the output. It shows the keywords, shows the delimiter, identifier, operator, number, keywords, uh, print, begin, end. Keywords are begin, keywords are int, identifiers. Like this, it shows the next level 3. For level 3, lexical analyzer and praiser. Lexical analyzer and praiser. Here, so this program implements both lexical analyzer and praiser. First, the lexical analyzer generates tokens from the source program. Then the praiser checks whether the program follows the grammar rules of mini ATC language. If the syntax is correct, it prints the program is syntactically correct. Otherwise, it prints syntax error. For example, for valid program, it is shows syntactically correct. For invalid identifier, for example, like 1x, it shows the syntax error. So here is the level 3 means lexical analyzer and praiser code. So here we are importing the RE keyword regular expression. Keywords are begin, end, int, print, and operators are these are plus, minus, star, and delimiters are semicolon, colons. Here we are taking the token. Token is equals to square bracket means here we are taking the creates the empty token list. Next, define lexer program. Here the program will start words is equals to regular expression dot find all r dash words plus operators comma program. This defines splits the programs into token. Then the token storage like Python tokens dot append keyword comma word stores the tokens in the tuple format. For example, keyword begin. For example, keyword begin. So here is the main program. It is for the For valid begin int x is equals to 10, print x, and here it is a valid program. So for it stores the mini ATC program calling Lexer. Next, Python Lexer program. It executes the lexical analyzers and displays the tokens. Next, in this Lexer program, print tokens. It print this. Next, Prazer check program lines program dot strip dot program dot end error false. Here, if program lines 0 dot strip is equals to begin, print syntax error is missing begin. Missing begin error is equals to true. This means first token is begin, last token is end. If Python, if true, it will print the program is syntactically correct. Otherwise, it shows the syntax error. For example, when we give a for invalid 1x, it shows the system error, syntax error. Here I am going to run. So here keywords, identifiers, delimiters, identifier operators, numbers. These are the lexical analyzers which are all valid. So program is syntactically correct. If I give input as an a 1x here and no x, and I don't print the x also, and removing semicolon. So here syntax error, missing semicolon in declaration. What in Prazer means, it does not take the invalid or what semicolon missing numbers like this. It doesn't match the string. Thank you.